Using Apple Vision Pro is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Apple Vision Pro. So first of all, I'm going to teach you how you guys can set up. So in order to set up, you just have to connect the battery to the Apple Vision Pro. After when you hear a tone, which means it is ready to wear. So you just have to wear it. After connecting the battery, you just have to wear it. After wearing it, it will give you some sort of options. Then the display will turn on your Apple Vision Pro. So then you will see an option for use quick start. You just have to go to that option if you have iOS later than 17. But you can set up manually if you don't, if you want to do it manually. It totally depends upon you. So after setting it up manually, you just have to follow the on screen instruction. It will want you to put your Apple ID. It will ask you if you are not 13-year old or older. It will ask you some of the things. You just have to add your age. At the ending steps are, it will capture your persona. It will give you some teaching of the basic gestures, and that's how you will be able to use your Apple Vision Pro. Hope you guys find this video helpful.